Charisma isn't luck, it's a skill. Vanessa Van Edwards told Stephen Bartlett it comes down to two traits, warmth and competence. Most people lean too far into one and ignore the other. Vanessa also reframed friendship. Treat it like dating, test values, and don't get close too fast. That's how she built a friendship with Cody Sanchez, aligned values, mutual growth, and intentional effort. She warned about ambivalent relationships, the ones you're unsure about. They drain more energy than toxic ones. You're better off cutting those ties or clarifying where they stand. And for introverts, don't compete in loud rooms. Build your own spaces where your social strengths shine. Want to connect better? Break autopilot. Ditch, what do you do? And ask, what's exciting you right now? Better questions equals better relationships. Spotting lies? Listen for question inflections, volume drops, and mismatched body language. Most people miss the signs, but they're there if you know what to look for. Stephen summed it up perfectly. In a world where connection is rare, this work matters more than ever. You don't need to be loud, just intentional.